White toner printers present a groundbreaking method in digital printing. With ColDesi's digital heat effects systems, printing has never been more efficient and mess-free. Say goodbye to pre-treat spraying and regular maintenance. Our range of printer options cater to businesses of all sizes, from compact models ideal for small shops to powerful flagship options suited for large production centers. These printers offer affordability, versatility, and intuitiveness, making them invaluable assets for t-shirt businesses and other printing applications. What sets white toner printers apart? Printing on dark substrates. White toner printers offer a game-changing solution for printing vibrant and opaque colors on both dark and light fabrics. Unlike traditional color printers that rely on transparent toners, these printers utilize an opaque white layer as the underbase, allowing for vivid colors to truly pop on dark media, expanding creative possibilities like never before. Versatility. White toner printers can easily handle a diverse range of substrates, including paper, cardstock, textiles, labels, and specialty media. From apparel decoration to signage, promotional products to packaging, and personalized gifts, these printers are well suited for a multitude of applications, providing endless opportunities for businesses to explore. Professional results. Achieve professional quality prints with sharp details and vibrant colors. The ability to print opaque white enhances the clarity and impact of designs, making them ideal for designs that demand attention and distinction. Customization. Unlock a new realm of creativity with seamless customization options with white elements, such as logos, text, and graphics. Create unique and eye-catching prints tailored to various applications, leaving a lasting impression on customers. Cost effectiveness. These systems prove to be a cost-effective investment overall. Particularly for businesses printing on dark substrates, these printers eliminate the need for pre-treated or coated media, reducing material costs and production time. Ease of use. White toner printers are designed with user convenience in mind, offering intuitive interfaces, user-friendly software, and automated features for efficient operation. This streamlines the printing process, making them manageable for businesses of all sizes. On-demand printing. Experience the freedom of on-demand printing. Produce prints as needed without the constraints of minimum order quantities. This eliminates excess inventory costs and increases turnaround times. Whether you're starting a new venture or enhancing your existing business, investing in a white toner printer from ColDesi can help you achieve success. For more information on ColDesi's digital heat effects white toner printers, visit our website, live chat with one of our pros, or call 877-793-3278. Get your white toner printer business started today.